Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to enable dark mode in Safari on your MacBook. Safari normally follows your Mac's overall appearance settings, so the easiest way to make Safari dark is by switching macOS to dark mode. Let's start with method 1. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then choose System Settings. Then look for the General Settings tab and click on it. At the top, you'll see Light, Dark, and Auto. If your Mac is currently using light mode, click Dark. As soon as you do that, your Mac interface changes and Safari will also switch to dark mode. Open Safari, and you'll notice menus, tabs, and supported pages now use a darker look. If you choose Auto instead, your Mac can switch between light and dark automatically based on time of day, which many users prefer. If you ever want to go back, return to Appearance and select Light Mode. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, if you do not want the whole Mac in dark mode and only want websites in Safari to appear darker, use method 2. First, switch your Mac back to light mode if needed. Then, open the App Store and use the search bar to look for a Safari dark mode extension. Download any trusted option with good reviews. Once installed, open the app. Many of these apps will guide you to Safari extension settings automatically. If not, open Safari, click Safari in the top menu bar, then choose Settings, and open the Extensions tab. Find the extension name and check the box beside it to enable it. After that, close the Settings window. You may now see the extension icon near Safari's address bar. Visit a website and the extension can apply a dark theme to pages, even while your Mac stays in light mode. Some extensions also let you adjust brightness, contrast, or exclude certain websites. And that's it. You now know 2 easy ways to enable dark mode in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.